Scientists just discovered that your country literally determines
how cooked your brain is.
if you're in the UK, you're dodging rain and roadmen just to watch the same Sidemen clip for the
10th time.
But then you look at the USA, where kids are surviving a 7 a.m. school start just to have their feed hijacked by some guy screaming over a $50,000 mystery box. And don't even get me started on
India,
where you're grinding for exams while Sigma edits and Choo Choo TV are breaking the entire internet. Every teenager on Earth is failing math, yet the algorithm thinks we want to watch a hydraulic press crush a Lego head. Tell me in the comment section what country you are from.